Alright guys, the water is, it's supposed to be low tide. Look at the water. It's going back there. It's going back. Yeah. Going back to the ocean. Yeah. Jim, did you find any clam? Yeah? Jimmy, did you find anything? Oh, you're gonna find one. We cannot go home without one.
Without one what?
Clam. Yeah. Sergi will help you. Uh-oh. You got mommy.
Don't get this wrong.
Oh. Oh.
Yesterday.
Oh, look at this. It's so fast. Moving backwards to the ocean. Wow. Look at that. It's too fast now. What the heck? Look at that. You're gonna get drowned.
That white thing.
Look at that. It's so fast. I'm glad it's in the video. Look.
Oh,
Look.
I found a clam.
Oh, wow.
I climbed the white thing.
Wow, it's so fast. Oh, wow. Ang galing. Ang galing. Yeah. Looks like something is like siphoning there. Oh man, look at that. Never seen like this. Look at that. Going back to the ocean. Low tide time. No, that's not.
No, that's not a clam.
It's a,
Man.
look at that.
These are
Wow.
There's a fish.
Sea
Hang on.
lion.
Nakataas sa ulo. Okay, the fish over there.
Ang lakas mo, oh. What the heck? Look at that.
Sila yung sumasakay na sa agos.
Ano?
Ayun o.
Bro, tignan mo. River yan, tas ito dagat. It's like, kanina high tide, we have a lot of water. All the way there. Doon sa may dark na yun. Maraming tubig. And then now, look, it's rushing back to the ocean kasi naglo-low tide na. Oh my God. Galing mo. Tapos doon naglalaban sila, nakita mo yung wave? Yeah. That's where, doon sila nag-combine. Doon sa may, ano na yun. Ang lakas oh. Oh, right there, yeah. Right there, sea lion. There's a seal right there. Oh, you know. Oh, you know. His head is over there. Woo! Grabe, oh. So fast. It's draining the river. Oh man, it's draining the river. Ang galing na kasi nandun yung gravity. Ganun ba yan? Hinahatak ng moon? Uh-oh. Julie, did you find anything? Did you find anything?
Oh my God, he put his dad up.
Yeah, that's scary.
Wow, so soft,
Patakbo yun to. 30. Yay!